Welcome to the Art Factory. This is our fabulous studio. The Art Factory is a supported studio here in regional New South Wales and Wagga Wagga. For a lot of people who don't have a verbal language, being able to create, being able to get what's inside of them out onto a piece of paper is a way of sharing their creative language, sharing their communication.
I
love coming to the Art Factory because I like to meet up with other artists.
This is my first mosaic that I've tried.
The Art Factory just recently won the Outstanding Community Award for the Wagga Business Chambers. So Transgrid actually sponsored that award, and it was just a really wonderful acknowledgement of a community program that just works with the community.